Our children have their own heart, mind, body, soul. They also have their own desires. I want this. I want my life to look like this. बहुत थिन लाइन है. 15 के बाद बच्चे को यूथ बोल देते हैं. वो बच्चा
Yeah.
है ना. तो बहुत थिन लाइन है. Mama, I want this. I want this for myself. How do you take care of that? I want this. When you know that this child will have to explore that I want and learn. And how important is as a mother to let your child explore that I want, but yet silently be that rock of Gibraltar for your child. Keep that
Yeah.
watch, but let that child go through that I want, because otherwise the child is not going to learn.
Yeah.
So, how do you?
Yeah, I think Senaji, that's a very real question, something that we handle on a day-to-day basis. My son actually keeps, I don't know if every kid does this, but when I was a kid, I remember, I don't know at what age, but I just wanted to grow up. I mean, I just wanted to be, just be independent and do things and, don't be, maybe because I was treated too much like a kid, I just wanted to get out of the shackles of, being a kid. But then what I find about my son is he keeps telling me, I don't want to grow up. So somewhere I feel I do not understand where does it come at the age of 8 or 9. If I remember right, from the age of 7, he's been telling me this. I don't understand how is he aware of the bliss that he is experiencing right now as a kid. That really, really surprises me, and it surprised me and my husband every time when he says that I don't want to grow up, which means he's enjoying the fact that he's a kid, and so that growing up is really a struggle. He spoke to me about it even yesterday night. So the one thing I believe is about talking, that communication. It's important, like I said in the beginning, I keep going back to that take them seriously.